Hello and welcome back to my channel, Cards by Melissa Minor. I just received the most amazing haul from scrapbook.com, and so I've never done this before, but I decided that I wanted to share it with you. I love seeing what other people receive and purchase, and so I thought it would be fun today to show you all the things that I just purchased. And if you're interested in any of these products, I will have an affiliate link listed down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at everything that I just received. All right, here we go. First up, we're going to be looking at these new mixed media paper pads from scrapbook.com. So I went ahead and purchased these in both the black and the white, and you receive 15 sheets of each. They are 400 GSM. They're already 4¼ by 5½, and they're going to be perfect for scrapbooking, card making, die cutting, and just about any project you can think of. Next, I went ahead and purchased these cardstock paper packs in the sherbet, warms, cools, and florals. And you receive 40 sheets in each stack, and there's 5 sheets of each color. So these are going to be perfect for making cards. Next up, I went ahead and purchased these. Now, these are the foam adhesive shapes, and these came in a bundle, but these are their new thinnest size. These are the 1 millimeter. This is the smallest size foam that they offer. So can you see this? It's like super thin. So if you want to add just a little dimension, not a lot, but just something, I think these are going to be perfect. So I'm really excited about these. Next up, I went ahead and purchased this new pen. Now, I thought this would be fun to use for scrapbooking. This is the ink roller pen in black. It says it's non-fading. So I want to try this out for my journaling and also maybe just some doodling. And then I picked up these scissors. My scissors were super dull, so I'm excited to get some new scissors. And then I also purchased this. This is a stamp set. It says, "You're so sweet," and it's got these awesome sentiments. You're the zest, you're one in a melon, hey sweetie, thank you, I love you, and all these fun fruit shapes. And then this whole, all of these came in a bundle. So, and then it's got these coordinating dies that go with it. So you can see here all those fun fruit pieces, and then the "You're so sweet" die for the stamp there that matches. And then I'm really excited about this. This is like a shopping bag, and then it's got the fruit pieces. And you can also put a gift card in here. And I thought that I could even use this maybe like at Christmas or birthday for like shopping bags. I just love the little bag. So I'm really excited about this too. I think it's going to make some fun cards, and I can even add this on a scrapbook page, I thought. And then the next thing that I purchased are these, and these are the Market Bloom Florals. And I was in dire need for some new florals. I just needed like a floral set. It's a staple in my craft room, and I feel like I've really worn out the floral pieces that I have. They're pretty much on every project that I use. So I'm excited to try out some new ones, and I love that I can layer these. And I mean, who can't use more leaves, right? And so I like all the different sizes, and these are a little smaller than the ones I had. And I don't know why I got these, but I got this zebra stencil and then the cheetah stencil. I think I was really inspired by a card I recently saw, and it had a zebra print. And so I don't know, I'm really excited to try out these fun new stencils. And yeah, so here we go. I've got 2 new stencils in these fun zebra and cheetah prints. And then the next thing that I purchased were these silver enamel dots. Now these are from Concord and Ninth. I don't have any of their products, so I'm really excited to try these. I like that they're really bright and shiny. They were recommended. You get 75 on here. It doesn't look like 75, but the quantity says there's 75. And so I think these are going to be fun. And then I picked this up. I love that you can get Pink and Main products on the scrapbook.com website. And this is their Sunburst cover die. And again, I was really inspired by a card I saw recently. And so, of course, I wanted to pick this up and try it out. And then this is another flower, the Scallop Flower. I just thought this was really pretty. This was a single flower. And so again, I can always use more flowers in my craft room. And this next one, this was the whole reason for my purchase. This is a new set from Echo Park, and it's called the My Best Life collection. I picked up the sticker sheet, the paper pack, and the chipboard accents. And the whole reason I got it is my daughter's best friend is turning 16 soon. And you see this little blue convertible? Well, my daughter's best friend, Kendall, she's actually receiving a blue convertible for her birthday. And so I was looking through some paper, and I originally thought I wanted this paper because of the little Stanley cups. And I was showing it to my daughter saying, wouldn't this be cute to make a birthday card for Kendall? And she saw the blue convertible on there, and she said, oh my gosh, Mom, you have to make her a birthday card with this convertible. So that was the whole reason that I picked this up. Look at that. Here's the convertible. It's so cute. So of course I'm going to have to make her a birthday card. But I love everything in here. There's the Stanley. There's so many cute sentiments. Follow your dreams. They know the way. Always chase your dreams. Hello, my friend. Always dream. You are pure happiness. There's lipstick. I love anything with lipstick. Sparkle and shine. The world needs more of you. Good times ahead. And then look at this paper. It's so pretty. I love pinks. I love florals. So let's take a look. Look at the blue. Everything just coordinates so well. I'm kind of wishing I would have got 2 of these paper packs because I really don't want to even cut into it. It's so pretty. There's the orange. There's some yellow. And then the pink. And wait till you see the other sides of these. Like, there's no way I can cut into this. I'm going to have to order another pack. I love this. This is my favorite. I haven't been more excited about a paper pack like this in a really long time. Look at all of these. These are so pretty. This floral. Then my daughter just recently had homecoming. Not homecoming, I'm sorry. It was winter formal. But I thought this would be perfect for documenting like some of those formal dance pictures with her and her friends. Look at all these little like cut aparts here. Oh, these papers. Look at this one. It's got like the little sleep masks and some lipsticks. That'd be cute for them like getting ready. There's some little boots. And then here's more cut aparts. Today's a great day. Sparkle and shine. Let's do this. Look at that little tennis shoe in the corner. That's cute. The world needs more of you. Always chase your dreams. Thank my lucky stars. Hello, my friend. These are so cute. And then this gorgeous paper. And then let's see. We've got this one with the florals. And then I love all of these. Hip, hip, hooray. There's the blue convertible again. Adventures. There's the little Stanley cup. These are so adorable. There's the Stanley cup on the paper. Oh my gosh, a whole sheet of it. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. I don't know if I want to do a scrapbook page or cards or both. Yeah, I definitely need more. Keep on being you. Look at these. These are so cute. Perfect for teenagers. So this is a look at all the paper pads. And then, like I said, I got 2 of the sticker sheets because it came with a sticker sheet. And then I ordered a sticker sheet. So I didn't realize it came with a sticker sheet. And then this is a look at all the chipboard accents, which all of these I think are in the sticker sheet. But this now I've got some chipboard pieces too. Okay, and then recently I used to use exclusive, close to my heart, page protectors. And so they just closed, and so I needed to get some different page protectors. And so I'm excited to try out scrapbook.com's brand. So I picked up the 8.5 by 11, and then I also picked up the 12 by 12. So I will give a review on that. So that's a look at everything that I picked up today. Thanks so much for looking at everything I picked up. Again, like I said, I'll have links down below if you're interested in picking up any of these products. I do appreciate anytime you shop my links, as that does help support me and my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!